So what you guys are seeing here is a Harley-Davidson custom road glide. Okay, as you can see, this beautiful Harley took a road trip up to Lancaster, and as you know, a lot of bugs on the way, a lot of dust. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you the time lapse of what it is to wash and wax this amazing bike. This took about like 2 to 3 hours, just a little bit more. So the first thing that you should do on any vehicle that's dusty is rinse it off first. Next, I hit it with the foam cannon using a pink pH neutral soap. Rinse it off and then using a towel for a quick dry, but then following it up with a blower so that I could get into all those crevices around the engine, around the bags, around the seats, around the wheels and rims. Once I do that, then right here, I'm using a quick detailer to kind of decontaminate the surface prior to getting into it with the wax. Now, you got to go everywhere with this and make sure you don't leave any spots, because you'll definitely see it on a black one like this. What I'm doing here is I'm applying Just Car's Color Lock. Okay, this is a carnauba infused wax, which I'm applying by hand. It's going to sit on the motorcycle for about 30 minutes. So I'm taking the time right here to clean the wheels, the rims, get them nice and shiny. That's why you see me move up the motorcycle to get to the rear. And as that's happening, then I can go ahead and get the leather. I am using Carbon Collective's Nouveau, which is an amazing product. And then I'm going all around the bike, wiping off the residue from the wax and getting it nice and shiny. And as you see, I love taking my time here. The owner is out here with me, my boy, just checking on the progress and seeing how amazing this transformation is. Now I'm going to cut to a different shot so that you could see all its glory just a little bit slower. One thing that I love about doing any gloss black vehicle, including motorcycles, is the mirror finish you get. This is simply a wax, okay? This is no polishing or anything like that. So you could see how much a wash and wax transforms this beautiful bike down to every nook and cranny. And the most important thing, the chrome really accentuates the black. The matte exhaust just looks amazing. And just going down the road, you can't help but look at this. And Good Luck Bell is amazing. But most importantly, the face on my friend, when he saw his bike, immediately he took it out. And there you go. That's what a wash and wax looks like on a Harley of this caliber. Now again, this is something that I take pride in, everything that I do, but you guys be the judge. Let me know what you guys think. Hope that you guys enjoyed this. I look forward to doing many more of these. So here you go.